Hey guys, this is Maria from TrueSocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to capture videos using a timer on Instagram Reels. When you're making Instagram Reels videos, you have the opportunity to turn on a timer and record videos of specific lengths. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Swipe right or tap your story in the upper left corner. Press on Reels at the bottom of the screen. After that, find the timer icon on the left and click on it. Now you can choose the length of the video you want to record. If you want to use a countdown before recording starts, press on the Set Timer button. When you're ready to record a video, simply hit the button. Click on the arrow button. Now you may insert stickers, write or draw something on your video if you want. Then press on the arrow button one more time. The only thing left to do is to upload your video, so simply hit the share button. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to capture videos using a timer on Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TrueSocial.com.